pretty fast table of contents read, even on this yellowish CDR of mine. And welcome to this video about the Marantz CD-15. This is the second video about this unit. The first one I sort of showed you the insides of it, and it was in bits, and it just did not look as impressive as it does in real life. It's sort of modern design, a bit industrial you could say, but I reckon it's very nice for modern decor. I wouldn't mind that kind of player. Not much as far as controls are concerned: pause, stop, eject, next, previous, and display. And display first it turns off track information, and then a whole lot. Maybe there's more on the remote. I have no idea because I haven't been sent the remote. So let's we'll go back to the inside, and this is pretty heavy cover, and it's sort of not much to look at because a lot of things are covered with Faraday cages. Power supply there's a transformer there which looks like toroid in Faraday cage, and there's a small transformer there also for the it goes to the display. Under there is a TDA1547 or DAC7 as they like to call it at Philips, and there's more stuff under there. I didn't take that off because that would be just too much intervention in display. I mean, I tend to leave vintage stuff as untouched as I possibly can. In here we have a servo with Motorola chips and drivers for the laser and clamp and tray. Over there we have a board that supplies an output to SPDIF connector. It looks like so. Not spectacular, but not bad either. I mean, the vertical transitions are vertical, and that would count as far as DAC is concerned. There's actually two of those connectors, but they're exactly the same. There's no difference between one and the other, so they must be in parallel, and that sort of goes to the from the servo board to there and then to the DAC. So that's about all. There's a metal version of CDM4, which is the most reliable mechanism, and this is what I tell my customers. So will the laser be available? There's plenty of those, they're cheap, and it will outlive your grandchildren. I don't even bother checking outputs of them because I've never seen one file. So, and there's nothing to adjust in Philips machines. Unlike Sanya and Sony based one, when there's plenty of pots, there's nothing to be done here. And that's about all. It reads CDRs, as you've seen. It reads test discs, 0.9mm interaction data layer and black dots. So, great machine, and very heavy. I mean, it's very hard to lift it. It must be, 15 or 20 kilos. I don't really know. Well, that's all, folks, and see you the next one. Bye-bye.